Hi guys. Hi guys. Nothing's more romantic than nudes. So, I'm wearing a new dress, and I don't normally bring attention. I say like I don't have like 3 outfits in a row where I was like stunt. But I normally don't bring attention to what I'm wearing, but I really like this dress. It's chocolate and luxurious, perfect for February, Black History Month, and also the month of love and February Valentine's Day. Yay! So, I'm gonna do a sultry, sexy eye. Don't know what colors yet. And we're just gonna we have a peanut gallery there. Okay, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna change lenses and I'll be back. Sound bad.
It's hard to find quality blacks. To get a good, solid black.
Well, it's really hard to make like just black eyeshadow. Like most blacks, if you look, are actually like blues and greens, and they pull that way. There are some palettes from some brands we no longer speak about that I keep because the black is so good. Bam, sharp eyebrows. Oh,
Villain brows.
fucking god!
Not for February. Villain brows are not for February, unless they are.
I mean, they're every time of year. Who doesn't want to fuck a villain? Hi, Aunt Marcia.
Maleficent.
Okay. I guess now I have to decide what kind of eyeshadow I actually want to wear.
My thought it was cruelty free.
Wow! There we go.
Excuse.
Fuck you, Mitch McConnell.
Fuck that Bruce turtle-looking ass motherfucker.
Fuck Mitch McConnell. Bye. This is a look.
That's all you need.
This is all I need.
That's it.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Stick some lashes on and you're done. Of course, I'm not surprised that Kylie used like sweatshop stuff.
Oh no.
No shit. Yeah. I think a lot of...
I don't know if that's true or not. Not because I'm not capping for Kylie.
Yeah.
But, okay, that's red. And not the struggle of opening things with one hand.
You could always... I could open things for you. I have 2 working hands.
Shush, present wife. I still haven't put primer on my lid. Whoops. Whoops. Whoops.
I'm trying to do some reading up. Just so that I'm aware how beauty brands are profiting off racism. A lot.
I'm gonna put
racially insensitive jokes, persistent uses of N-words. Oh yeah, there was one, there's an Instagram page. That's perfect. I'm on Instagram all the time. Please give me an Instagram page of problematic cosmetic things. Oh. It's a brand. It's an indie brand called Problematic Cosmetics.
Oh, that's dumb.
It's really stupid. It's just like lashes. I'm sorry, girl. This is your... you know what? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to come for the small brand. They're just trying, but that name... You confused me. I was looking for something else.
That name is problematic. Fuck your wife.
Yeah. It literally is! It's called Please tell me about problematic beauty brands, because my dumbass just doesn't...
I don't know. I just don't spend a lot of my time like looking into. When I find out someone's done some fuck shit, I tell you.
The thing is, I'm always in this weird position of I never find out about their dumb. That's why I have you. You tell me about the dumb fuck shit.
Ooh,
and I feel bad, just depending on you for it. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I should try to make myself a little more aware. This is really pretty.
There's nothing quite like, because ColourPop reuses.
Those are gorgeous. I love this kind of stuff.
Oh yeah.
Make me look like a dragon, mama. That's all I want. This is gorgeous. Please don't be problematic. I'm gonna look around. They seem very small. A lot of times it's harder to figure out if small companies are doing bad things.
Oh, honestly, I find it to be way easier because it's like, if you follow them on Twitter and they with their own dumbass mouth say some dumbass shit, you see it and you're like, oh, I don't need to follow them anymore. Oh no! Oh, Rebecca, the sticker fell off.
What happened?
The sticker fell off.
No.
And it doesn't even look like a heart.
I tried to do my own by cutting a heart into a sticky note and just hold.
Okay, I actually don't like that as much. I don't need that secondary color. I only need the first one. I think. I'm gonna go pretty simple with this. It's pretty weird and enough on its own that I don't need to like add a third color. So, we're gonna take another little doodly doobop. I really like this eye primer. I can't wait to talk about my problematic brands because we've got Teas and Crumpet Twitters always coming at people. Do I need to like shape up my crease? Do I need to take like a teeny brush like this one? And so
pretty. This is right up my alley. I will follow you until you do some fuck shit. So they've only got like 2 posts. Oh no, I have to click the button.
am I gonna fuck this up trying to do graphic liner? Miriam,
Yes.
you do graphic liner pretty regularly.
Oh god.
What's your tip?
Okay.
I've got both liquid, I've got that, I've got a pot. Which one do you recommend?
I usually go at it with liquid because I'm very skilled with liquids. The pot might be easier. What you might want to do is take a thin brush and do like a sketch of it first. I would go kind of high. You have a lot more lid space. I have to go high because I have hooded lids. But, you know, just try and follow your brow bone. That's kind of what I do. And then my secret is I go back with Q-tips and fix all my makeup so it looked like I did make a mistake.
Okay, it's your phone. I was like, is that...
Posts on their Twitter, which, you know, might be a good thing sometimes. If you don't post stupid shit, then, you know. Oh, they're from the UK. I just read it on their thing. Tell me the names of your grapevine and as you were.
I'm shaking. God damn. Thank you for the emotional support, Miriam.
You're welcome.
And I still fucked up my wing.
It's okay.
Cock and balls, Jesus
It's okay.
Christ.
It's okay.
I
don't know what to do.
You don't need to help me.
I'm gonna stand here and support you.
No more. You've done your job. Not touching that. Not touching that.
Sometimes it's easier with a liquid. Especially, yeah. It's shaped like a pin.
This is felt tip, not liquid.
What's in the pin, you think?
Yes,
Liquid.
but it's all liquid.
Exactly! Beep! It doesn't look fucked up.
Not the wing here, like the thing that I can't fix looks fine. So I'm less worried about it, and that's why I just put down the paint pot.
You can just stab yourself in the eye with that.
Holy.
Oh.
God, Jesus. Help. Help. Help.
Help me.
Help.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a shot.
Have fun.
Whee! God, these are so gorgeous. Oh.
We're gonna fix my wing with concealer. Cause she's looking chunky.
You know what? This is cute. I dig this. All of their like 9 palette things that are color themed. It's called the natural one, the green one, the blue one, the pink one. That's cute. Stick to basics.
Sam says that the dog just appeared in her backyard.
Oh, it's your dog now. That's how it works.
Miriam says it's your dog now. I don't subscribe to that. I mean, he seems to just be vibing out, but so as long as he doesn't rip Fez a new hole. Fez had to get his teethers from his incisors or something removed, so now he's got like he's got a little overbite. Yeah.
Poor baby.
Not fixed, covered in ticks. Oh, keep that dirty ass dog away from your baby.
Oh, yeah, I would keep him outside, and then like, I don't know. I guess if your mom knows a couple neighbors, you could ask around and be like,
Hey, this yo dog?
Whose dog this?
Who dog this?
You can put up found posters. Take a picture of him and put him up. Be like, we found this dog. Please, like...
Please take him home. I do not want him.
Contact this number.
Okay, we're gonna do the second eye, guys. Teamwork.
Part of nude. I am your background music.
Okay.
Believe in me. I'm sending you the strength and fortitude of my skill of graphic liner.
So sorry.
I actually really like this company. I always fall in love with these UK companies, and then my card. They cancel my card. And they lock her up. They're like, fraudulent purchase from UK? I'm like, no. Stop. Let me order. The blue one doesn't have a lot of blues in it. It's got like 3 purples, and then there are like 4 blues, and then the other 2 are like...
Okay, that was an emotional roller coaster. I'm gonna go do my base makeup and put on lashes, and then I'll be back, I guess. But I don't hate it. Oh, I should probably take off the thingy so you can see. Boop. I think it's cute. Does it look like a heart all the time? No, but it's cute. And I've given myself enough time to do multiple Valentine's Day looks. My skin looks good. Yeah, bitch, you look good. Okay, so this is the look, and you could see it really good in my when I had my short lens on, but I really like this. Ooh. I should stop. I need to stop. I'm out of control.
What do you need to stop?
Just staring at myself?
No.
Thanks. We're gonna take the Jai lip gloss from Nima Beauty. I love them. And we're gonna, because it's red and that's fun. He wants to look at her jewels.
Ooh. There's pussy in this picture. Not exposed, but
Fat.
yes.
I feel like that's like how skinny girls with skinny coochies make their pussies look fat. They just wear narrow parts. That's not important for us right now here on camera.
These are gorgeous.
Oh no! Meet me in the middle. My God. Wee,
Oh,
mama.
that's warm.
It's warm, but I just look like a little too dark. I think it's just the foundation. Yeah. I used my Fenty hydrating foundation for the first time in like a whole year. Sorry, my camera died while I was trying to figure out the lighting, and I like this lighting better, I think. So we're gonna wrap up quickly because I have another video to film. Hey guys, let's just be intimate for a second. I look good, and you know you want to take this look out on a date. Pay no attention.
But don't pick us up.
Because we're gonna, because the emotional breakdown I had with the eyeliner, I'm pretty sure some of my more talented friends could probably do it better. So I opened the floor up to some ladies and gentlemen that follow me to do this better and different. It's literally just like a heart stencil. I used liquid lipstick because I don't own a red, and then I just boo-da-bop. I look good. Like, I might look red as hell in real life, but for once my face matches my chest properly. I hate it. I hate having my, because I got yabos out all the time. The skin's just differently.
You gotta get some.
I just gotta have like a turtleneck and just lay it out.
Just to smear on the elbows.
Just cover the girls. All right, happy February, and I'll see you next time with another Valentine's Day look. Hopefully I'll get 3 done in the month for the first, the Monday, the Friday. The Monday, the Friday, and then the Monday, the next Friday, because February is a square month this year. That's exciting. Yeah, sick nasty. All right,
Symmetry.
if you want to see more of my Valentine's Day looks, there won't be any this week, but if you're coming to at a point later in the year, there'll be a playlist here. And then if you just want to see my 2021 videos, they're here. And you can subscribe generally where my face is. That still works because now it's in the center. And you can like, comment, and subscribe below. And follow me on most socials at Megan_Blush. And on Pinterest at Megan_Blush_. I always forget that last part. And you can follow me on Pinterest at Megan_Blush_. I don't know my own socials anymore. That's why I had them written out before, but I can't